Hey, it's Monday, September 9, 11:56 in the morning, 2024. We have a Diatone JR-711, and let me just show you what's in the battery compartment. In the battery compartment is a little plastic bag of the handle bits and the one switch cap cover that broke. Alright, so if you want to replace it, there's that. Okay, and then let's see here. It's got both. It's got both antennas. They go out, go in, like that. They, fit in position. Okay. Let me just bring this up here. And just so I can see, that's the model number. Okay. Let me go back to the tripod. It takes 8D batteries. Okay. Alright, back to the tripod. Alright, so now, it's actually playing a cassette right now. Right. So, there it is. Alright, so, let's see, can you see that? Can you hear it? Better question. Okay. Let me show you that when you do take this thing apart, the front cover comes off, right? And this one here snapped off anyway. There's that. It's got AM, FM. It's got all these switches here. It's on cassette right now. That's radio. That would be line in. Hear the radio? Okay. And of course, VU meters dance. And it tunes. Got stereo light. See the stereo light going on and off, right? Of course, you go back to tape. Now, like I said, the volume, you can't do anything with the volume, so it is playing the tape. So it's stop, rewind, stop, fast forward, stop, play. Right, so, and then of course, music search that way. Okay, and so, the only issue with this is somebody that knows how to fix the preamp section, which is probably redoing the capacitors or whatever. This also doesn't have the handle. I bought it without getting the handle. I don't know. But there's your AC input, which is what I'm running it on right now. And then on this end, there's a full complement of in and out, and then phono jack and everything else like that. Okay, so it works. It's just I can't fix it, and that's all I know. All right, so 4 minutes. I'll just stop here and take a picture and say good day, bye bye.